Web applications have become an essential part of modern business operations, offering tools and platforms that streamline daily workflows. These applications enable employees to collaborate, manage tasks, and access important information from virtually anywhere. By automating routine processes and providing real-time data, web applications help organizations operate more efficiently. Their flexibility and scalability allow businesses to adapt quickly to changing needs, making them a cornerstone of productivity in today's digital landscape. Well-designed web applications offer a range of significant benefits for organizations. By improving efficiency, these tools help employees complete tasks more quickly and with fewer errors. Streamlined processes reduce unnecessary steps, making workflows smoother and more manageable. Enhanced usability ensures that both employees and management can easily navigate and utilize the application, fostering better communication and decision-making. Ultimately, these advantages contribute to a more productive and satisfied workforce. When developing web applications for businesses, several key factors must be considered to ensure success. User experience is paramount, as intuitive interfaces and smooth navigation can significantly enhance customer satisfaction and engagement. Scalability is also crucial, allowing the application to grow alongside the business and handle increasing amounts of data and users without compromising performance. Additionally, seamless integration with existing systems helps maintain workflow efficiency and reduces operational disruptions. By addressing these aspects, businesses can create robust web applications that support their long-term goals. Robust web application development plays a pivotal role in enhancing business productivity by streamlining operations and improving user experiences. With reliable and scalable solutions, organizations can respond more efficiently to market demands and customer needs. This foundation not only supports current business objectives but also positions companies for sustainable future growth. By investing in quality development practices, businesses are better equipped to innovate and adapt in an ever-evolving digital landscape. Ultimately, the strength of a web application can be a key driver for long-term success and competitiveness.